Oh, hello. Okay. I got this to run for about half an hour on the hand start, and then somebody stopped by and needed some sewing machine stuff. So I shut the M96 off. Let's see if it restarts here. Or another sewing machine is on its way out. I guess I will try this again in a minute. Okay. Try one more time. So, ran about half an hour. Somebody came to get a sewing machine. I tried to hand start it again, and then somebody else arrived because they both picked up machines at the same time. I haven't done anything since it quit, or since I shut it off about 20 minutes ago, so let's see if it wants. There we go. Oh. There we go. Look at that. Give it a little 10-minute rest. I'm going to oil this up some more, and we'll see how much longer this goes. Like I said, it's got about half an hour on this tank, and I do like finding out how long the tank of fuel will last in these engines. So, I gotta say, since I got this engine, it has very quickly turned into one of my favorites, because it's just pretty unique, and it's definitely starting and running pretty well right out of the box. I got that latch fix done on it. I think it's running a bit better for that, so I'll let it finish its run today and go through that tank of gas.